check this out. What are we doing here?
They call him the human jackhammer.
That's why you're going to charge a lot. That's why we charge a lot. Because it's hard work. Too many people, they don't want to do the work. There's the work there, but they don't want to do it. And this is why one day I'll be driving around in that Lamborghini because I'll work. Now we can put the corns up, mate.
Spray.
Alright.
Just that one.
I don't know if you noticed on the last video, but the knucklehead who installed the bead on that, it was off. So we fixed that up. But you didn't notice, did you? We've scraped all of that. We're ready. Are we spraying that? Huh?
The mud didn't bite to it. That's the only reason why I'm looking at the camera.
Okay, we've got corners going on this 10mm beam here, and as you can see, we haven't even prepared this. The adhesive just hasn't even stuck to this. So, and we've seen it in the past. So what we're going to do, this is a bit of a safety net, is we're going to spray a bit of this just above the line, let it dry, and it'll have something to really bind onto. So I'm just going to go along and I'm going to just spray like this. That's it. Doesn't take long, but I feel a lot safer knowing that that's not going to just fall down or come loose over time. I'm going to show you how good this bucket is. Dry and light inside. Flip it. Put a sponge in here. This would be a perfect demonstration for the sponge. Yes, we do. Alright. A bit of water. Alright, the rest just wipes out. Alright, I just need to give that a coat out now. That's clean though. That's clean. And this, you can use this every day for like over a year. They're actually really, really strong. As long as you're not digging into the side. Yeah, bucket. Here it is here. All washed out. Beautiful. Nice and clean. So easy. So easy. I'm going to leave a link below if you want to buy one. Ship anywhere in the whole world. side that we're going to use with this mud. And that's it.
It'll be nice for that.
That's how to hang cornice. How to hang cornice? That's how to hang cornice.
It's not hard.
Maybe next time we'll do a full cutting, another full cutting video to teach you how to cut. But make sure you subscribe, that'd be great. Trying to get to 100,000 subscribers and get that play button. Come on, help me out. If you're not subscribed, hit it now. See this shit that we're going to deal with? This whole ceiling, man. Have a look. You put anything wet on it. Yeah. All of that. And then where you didn't do it, it scrapes off. And then it's going to be worse when you go to try to paint it. They'll do the same shit. Except it'll get in your paint. Wait. You can see where we've built up here.
Yeah, next cover.
Good job though, good job. That's it. We're done. We're out of here. Till next time. Till next time, we're going to come back.